This is Morning Stock Watch for 10 January 2020, weekly for SPY, Netflix, and GRUB. Starting out with SPY, weekly close price 325.71. Price has been on a very strong bullish run since the very noticeable low set on October 3rd, 2019, moving in somewhat of an ascending wedge pattern with a high volume breakout on December 12th, continuing to even higher price targets. Last week ended in somewhat of a red doji spinning top, but this week we did see some continued upside in the markets. Friday we see SPY make all-time highs again with highs of 327.50, just $2.50 shy of our 330 upside target, with a bit of bearish divergence for the past 10 trading days. Looking at the indicators, daily RSI shows some overbought bearish divergence that could bring it back to 320, that's at the top of the wedge, possibly back up to 330. Price does continue to appear extended, especially when comparing to the moving averages, and a decent pullback would be reasonable. Looking at the market sectors of SPY, QQQ, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, SMH, IWM, XLF, XLC, and the VIX. The past week on most of the markets appeared to spike through resistance and make all-time highs, with the exception of IWM and the XLF, which appears to be already making a downward move. Next on the list is Netflix. Weekly close price, $329.05. What's going on with Netflix this week? This past week, Netflix mostly appears to be in an ascending triangle pattern with 340 resistance that lasts to about the 21st of January, meaning it will likely make a strong move before the 21st, most likely to the upside. Netflix continues to appear that it's filling a gap up to about 372 from 315, at the very least up to about 363. A breach of wedge support could easily drop price to support levels at 315 to about 320, but not likely too much lower than that. Consistent hourly closes below 328 could easily lower prices for Netflix. And last on the list is GRUB. Weekly close 52.38. GRUB reached its upside target of $55, but failed to close the week above the channel resistance. This shows that the market wasn't quite ready to see GRUB at those levels, but so far it has a higher low setup and appears to want another chance at a $60 price target.